I will show you how to add music to your YouTube video. Open your browser, go to YouTube, go to the right side, search for YouTube Studio. Click Content, select which video you want to edit. Click Editor. Select Get Started. As you can see here, there is a video and audio timeline. If you want to add audio, click Audio. Find the appropriate audio, then you click on the audio. You can adjust the length of the audio, adjust the volume of the audio, can even delete it. If you have clicked Save in the top corner to save your edits, congratulations, you have successfully edited your video on YouTube.
Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.